Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm stoked you're here. Today I've got an exciting unboxing to share with you guys that comes from us from our buddies at Vero Engineering, Joseph Vero. Um, it's a couple of items he's letting me check out to bring to the channel, and I could not be more appreciative. I'm a Vero fanboy. This is my Axon. I'm going to use it for the unboxing knife, but before I get started, I will just thank the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all more than you know. And then I'll ask any of you guys that are coming by, checking out the content. First of all, thank you for taking the time to watch the content. And if you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon down there, and I will continue to bring you good content and it'll help the channel. So the unboxing knife today is going to be the Vero Axon liner lock. Right-handed. Let's see what we got here. I'll pull this so I don't bang the camera, guys. Oh, dude, I'm so excited. All right, guys. So I wasn't expecting to get this little bonus to look at, but this is what I have been salivating over. I love the Axon, and as you guys know me, I'm a little fixed blade guy. I saw this at Blade Show. This is the hand satin marble carbon fiber or green, so maybe it's the green. Let's see. Oh, I don't want to have to cut it. I feel like if I cut it, I need to just go ahead and buy it. Oh man. Guys, we got our sheath under here with our silica gel. So it's got a very able sheath with a great belt clip on it, adjustable midi sizes. And again, this can be set up with any ulti-clip or any type of tech straps you want to use. Let me get all this put together before we take a look at this bad boy. I'm curious. Just perfect. Just a little bit thinner like I was hoping. All right, guys, let me put away the liner lock Axon and let's focus on the unboxing at hand. This is the Vero Engineering Fixed Blade or Axon Fixed Blade. And this is in, looks like natural or green micarta with a, I want to say it is a hand satin finish. Just an absolute beautiful little knife. I had no idea. When I came to the booth at Blade Show, I picked it up and I did not have my regular Axon with me. And for something about it felt different than the regular Axon. And Joseph and Michelle told me, no, it's the same overall length. And now I see what it is. It's the fact that you've got that beautiful choil cut in right here, and you've got a much thinner profile. So even though I love my Axon, guys, this is a fantastic fixed blade. Great retention in the sheath. I'm excited to bring this to you guys. I'm going to hang on to this for a few days, a week or so, carry it, do some light testing. It's not my knife, not yet. So I'm not going to be cutting much more than paper with it. However, I can tell you in its full tang construction and in its overall elegance that this knife is going to be up for any challenge. For an EDC fixed blade, my first impressions are Bundabar. Again, I'll give you a full overview review with my insights. But guys, this is much more enticing, unfortunately, than I was expecting it to be. You guys know I love my Axon. It's my number one Vero that I've got in my collection. And yeah, this little fixie is something else. I want to thank Joseph for giving me the chance to check it out. I will do a separate unboxing on this other little cool thing he sent, just so we can keep our focus and our search good, because this is what I was expecting to be bringing to you guys today from an unboxing standpoint. So I can start using this knife, carrying this knife, and telling you how it enhances my EDC carry, right? If it replaces a primary, or if it's just like a lot of my other EDC fixed blades that are just supplements a carry. I could see this and I'll try it with some straps. I'll try it with an ulti clip, try it with my deep concealment clips, and just see what I think the best way to carry it is. To be honest with you, I kind of like it the way it is, just doing it in the belt, inside the waistband, and it carries straight. I mean, I might not have to change anything to get a good carry on this. Great retention on that clip. I love it, guys. I'm very, very impressed. I knew it was going to be refined. Everything that Joseph does is, but when I see the nimbleness of it and the fact that it's a little bit more just basically refined. Again, we'll get some more tests when we get closer um, to see some of the other differences, but I think it's just this choil and these grips make a huge difference, guys. And like I said, y'all know that I'm a huge EDC fixed blade guy. I'm a huge Vero Engineering guy. Let's see if I can be responsible and not turn right around and buy one of these. But guys, thank you, thank you, thank you for stopping by and checking out the video. Know that this is just an unboxing. Got more to come on this knife. I'll bring it to you in a full overview review with all of my thoughts. Guys, all I ask is if you please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.